4 a.m. I'm just getting started. You guys ready for this, man? Tell me. Nighttime or daytime? Yeah. Nighttime or daytime? Do you guys know? See if you figure it out. But early morning grind here. It's Sunday. I hope you guys are ready. I have now this simple announcement. I'm gonna make this one as short as possible. No, whatever. This is for the pledge class. I got more messages, more emails. I said I was gonna respond to some of you guys by last night. And again, I got to learn more from it. I'm sorry for being so complex. Big mistake on my part. I think there's just a lot running through my mind. I wanted you guys to understand it and how everything's gonna go. But simply, this is how it's going to work. One, every single day, we are going to be streaming. If you would like to be a part of it, join. And now if you want a scholarship, well, before I get there, that's it. Just come on the stream. I'm going to be streaming my live trades there, and we're going to be going over stuff. The pledge class has been postponed. So if you applied for it, your application is still good. We are postponing it until the market cools off. I'm going to make a fuck ton of money here, do my thing, get ready, and when the time is available for me to go about teaching the curriculum, going over all the set stuff we have for you, then we're going to begin. So there's that. So if you applied, good. And if you want, a lot of you want to be in the meantime, just stay active in the stream. Now, in the meantime, now too, we wanted to start Monday. People sent in applications. They wanted to get on board. This is where we came with the idea, and we didn't want to exclude people and give people that option. There is now the after hours webinars. That's what I'm calling it, because the issue, I think, is a lot of the dialogue. There's the YouTube stream. That is YouTube. Stream is YouTube. Webinar are the private stuff, and that's the after hour webinars, and then there's the pledge class. So pledge class postponed. I'm thinking probably till March, or when because that's my time. Go watch my videos. You guys see my timeline on what I'm expecting with the market. So that's that timeline I'm thinking, and then we'll see what there. But now you could do the after hours webinar. So let me show you. Okay, so I wanted to make it as easy as possible and inform you guys. And again, apologize for being so confusing, and if you got it, because again, even like Grant, you guys have seen him on the stream. I love the kid, man. He thought I declined him when I accepted him. So we're making this very easy, and again, it's going to be, I'm doing this to the sense where you have the just tune in on the stream. You don't have to commit. You don't even have to go to this website if you don't want to. That's the whole point. You guys are still going to be able to learn, and it's going to be easy for me, whereas this is how I'm doing it. You go through here, it's the same pledge website. You cannot get the application anymore because, again, the pledge class, and if you pledge, that's for that. Again, that's still there. Understand, like, the timing. There's after-hour webinars. You click here. It explains it. Just like what I did, we're going to start tentative schedule Monday, Wednesday, Friday, but it'll probably be every day. And once we see who's there, again, it's so scattered now with people who don't think that it's going to happen or this or that, or they think I declined them. So how I'm going to make it, once we get people there starting Monday, you're going to sign up for this, put your email in, and I'm going to email you in the morning with the code to get on the webinar during the live stream. And then after hours too, you'll get the info and we'll just integrate you from there. But for me, all you have to do, sign up. I have your email. I'm just going to get in touch with you. I'm going to have somebody from the team get in touch with you, and then boom, we get you the code, and now you're integrated with us every day. You see, time sake wise, that's easy. Boom. All I have to do is get on my webinar and talk, get on my stream, talk. You see, it's not like we're going back and forth with stuff. So there's that. And if you need a scholarship, like I said, in the meantime, just honestly contribute. And now I actually have a way, because some people are like, all right, what things? And I said, I'm worried about the scholarships because I didn't have the stuff that most of the stuff I have is just like, it requires trust, right? So appreciate you guys, honestly. This is how we're going to work. You guys, hopefully you see, I appreciate your opinions and your comments. I'm actually listening to it. You guys, that's what I used to. If you guys go, people would say shit on YouTube and I get pissed. And people would be like, oh, this. I'm like, oh, this person doesn't get it. No, like, okay, we'll find middle ground. You guys are saying, hey, this is the issue. I want to do this. I want the scholarship. You respected what I told you, how I felt about them. So, you know, coming back, I have tasks. You know, I figured out ways where, like, hey, people want to do scholarships. They want to be in the after hours webinars right now, and they want to do the pledge class. How are we going to get them involved? I'm going to just start giving tasks that you could start proving yourself through the stream and start doing, and I could get you involved in. You show me that for a couple weeks on the stream, you doing that, I'll throw you in the webinars. We'll figure out something like that. But then again, like I'm saying, those tasks are going to be few and far between because I only have a couple of those right now. So this is how it's going to work. I'm only going to give those tasks to the people who are active on the stream, and I will be able to see that, and who are watching the videos. So from here on out, scholarship tasks, I'm going to drop them randomly in videos and randomly on stream. So if you are the person who gets to watch it, you comment, and if you're the first one to claim it, you get to do that task, and you have your opportunity to do it. You finish that task, you will get your scholarship, and I wouldn't even say you got your scholarship. You've at least proven yourself to me, where you guys see my dilemma. I want to know who's serious about this, where you've actually put in work. I see you on the stream, I see you active. Now you've got my attention because it's growing. You guys see there's thousands of people. So let's get this done. I think that's a cool, fun way. It's engaging. And that being said, I'll tell you my first task. So if you've listened here, this is going to be a broad one. And hopefully I think everybody can do this. And whoever does this the best, I will really appreciate, because everybody will appreciate. My first task, if you would like, you know, you guys are saying, how can I help? What can I do to show you? You guys are sitting here in the stream. I need a notary, in a sense, not a notary, I don't know, a scribe essentially. What I want you guys to do is, listening through the stream, if at any time you hear me explain something, like somebody asks a question in the chat, what's economics, what's the Federal Reserve, this and that. If you hear a specific question or a good explanation on something, write down the time I explain it. And write down the time periods to, like, just on the clock. You know, that's the best part on E-Trade. You could see the time. So write down the time I started talking about it, so then that way, when the streams are over, we could help other people by just, boom, tagging in the video where they could go for the lessons or the highlights. So if someone could do that, that'd be awesome. The next thing, I need a playlist. Go through all of my YouTube videos. If you're a beginner and advanced, and I want you to make a beginner playlist, or you guys see what I'm saying, and go through, make a playlist that you think would be helpful. But you guys see the goal. We want to give information. We want to disrupt it. I need your guys' help. That's stuff that would take me a lot of time, and I can't do it. I'm going to do what I'm good at. You see, this is where we got to help each other. I'm good at stocks. I'm good at information. I'm good at the news. I'm good at trading. You see, business, that's what I'm going to do. So let me do that. If you guys help with that, it helps everybody, and as we go into it. So that's pretty much it. So if you guys want, if I'm going to see you on Monday, go down, pledge the fraternity, go sign up for the after hours. If not, I'm going to see you tomorrow regardless on the stream, baby. So I'm excited. I feel really good now. I think this is going to be simple. Hash everything out. Make it clear. We're all good to go. So let's get it, baby. I hope you guys are ready. I got a bunch of videos more today. Let's go! I'm really excited. I love you. Peace. Oh, and if you did watch, it's 6:30 on Sunday. Just so you guys see. I was up since like 4, I think. It's because I have the screen protector. There it is, see? We were up since 4 a.m., bro. That's why you guys think it's a game when I'm telling you. I got a lot of stuff, man. We got people international, the world. Everyone wants to know what's popping. Let's go!